Has someone around your house been a little rough with the towel bar lately? Hi, I'm Dakota Shafer with Structure Real Estate Group in Colorado Springs, and while we're all not lucky enough to have a Hulk running around the house, it is a pretty common problem to have a loose towel bar or towel ring or toilet paper holder, and I'm going to show you how to fix that correctly. Now typically when they're installing towel bars in your home, they try and hit studs, but in scenarios where they can't hit a stud for spacing or whatever, they will use one of these. These come with the kit and they work fine for a while, but over time they will loosen up and eventually pull out of the wall. So I like to use toggle bolts, and you can get these at any hardware store and they're very inexpensive. This one is rated up to 42 pounds per side, so it should be plenty for this towel bar. But they can be used in other applications as well. For instance, if you're hanging a TV on the wall, you want to make sure it hit the studs if you can, or at least half of them hitting the studs. But on the other parts where you can't, they have higher rated toggle bolts that work great for that application. The first step is just removing the old towel bar if it hasn't been already ripped off the wall. And to do that, you just loosen this set screw right here with a small screwdriver, and then it'll come off of the bracket. The next step is just to remove the bracket from the wall. And a lot of times you can just pull it out of the wall, but you may need to take a screwdriver or a drill and take this screw out. Then check your toggle bolt, fold the butterfly section in, and make sure that it'll go into the existing hole. If it doesn't, take a drill bit and just match it up and go ahead and drill yourself a new hole there for it to go into. Next, you just want to take the butterfly section off of the bolt, fish it through the bracket, and replace the butterfly on the other side. And start it in there. And now we're ready to go ahead and install the bracket to the wall. Then just pinch the butterfly bracket together, put it through the hole, pull it tight, and then take a screwdriver or drill and tighten it down. Make sure not to pinch your fingers behind it. Then you just want to repeat the process on the other side. Make sure everything is good and tight. The towel bar is ready to go back on. Tighten down your set screws, and then even the Hulk might have a hard time pulling this one off the wall. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to hit the contact button on our page or call the number on the screen. And we'd love to have you subscribe to our channel for more homeowner maintenance tips.